Here's the Honda Ridgeline. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle on top of the Honda emblem. Put one finger over there and then push it right. While it's pushed right, lift up the hood. This is how the secondary release lever works. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it, let it go, and now it's secure. Once the hood is open, that right there is where the engine air filter is. We need to undo 3 clips to access the filter. 1, 2, and the third one over there in the back. Now we need to lift up this cover, but before we can lift it up completely, we need to get it out of the 2 slots in the back there. One over here and second one there. So wiggle it, move it around a little bit, and it'll slide out of the 2 slots there. Good. At this point you'll be able to access the filter. Just grab it and take it out. The top side is the clean side, the bottom side is the dirty side. Outside air comes to the bottom, gets filtered and goes in the engine. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. And before you put it in, if this looks really dirty, like full of leaves and stuff, it's a good idea to just vacuum it. Let's just put the filter in and it should just drop right in. If it doesn't sit in, if it doesn't drop in the way I'm showing over here, like this, see it's sticking out, it's not falling in place, turn it around and then you will be able to just drop it in and it sits right there. Now we need to get it in the slots over there. 2 tabs. This one over here, press it down, slide it in, and the second one in the back there. You may have to wiggle the cover a little bit before it slides in, but it's important that you get the tabs in there, because only when you do so will you be able to put these 3 clips on. And that is pretty much it. To close the hood, first push on it, get load off the prop rod, put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Thank you.